Hey guys, it's your boy Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about personal development, property investment, and how to gain financial freedom. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to choose the right networking group to be a part of. You see, I've been asked so many times, what is the best networking group? How can I get the best networking group? What are the benefits? And how can I really get the one that really adds value to me whilst I also add value to? So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you. But before we get to that, I'd like to thank each and everybody who's subscribed to my channel. The channel is growing immensely, so thank you. I appreciate all your support, all the likes and everything you've been doing to grow this channel. But we've done a research, we've realized 45% of the people that have been watching my content have not hit the subscribe button. If you're one of those, I kindly ask you to hit that subscribe button now before you continue with this video. And whilst you're there, hit the like button so the algorithm will push the videos to wider and wider people. So basically, in order for you to be very successful in whatever you do in work of life, it's about the people you surround yourself with. Have you ever heard the word, your net worth is your network? So the people that you surround yourself with is what gets you to become successful. They are the one who also gets you to kind of not be successful. Have you heard about the word birds with the same feather flocks together? This is exactly what I'm talking about. So in order for you to be very successful in any work of life, it's important to surround yourself with people that would help you get a little bit closer to the goal you've set yourself to achieve. So when it comes to property, this is very important for you to be surrounded by the right sort of people with the right mindset to expedite your property investment journey. So you may be thinking, what do you look for? There are 5 steps you need to follow in order to select the right networking group. So I'm going to be chunking this down for you. If you haven't been taking notes in my videos, perhaps now is the time to take notes. So the first thing you want to be thinking about when you're looking for a networking group is to look for a networking group that aligns to your goal. So what do I mean by that? It's basically looking for a professional group that is doing what you intend to do or what you set yourself to do. And they align with your ethics, they align with your drive. They kind of, it's a group that really would accommodate what you set yourself to achieve. You see, there's so many people join groups because, oh, this is a networking group, I'm gonna go and join it. They have not got reason why they join it. Basically, they just join it because everybody is joining that group. If the group is not for you, it doesn't align to your goal, there are lots of groups out there that you could use or you could be part of to actually help you get you a little bit closer to where you want to go. Once you've got the group that align to your goal, the second step is assessing the group reputation. You see, there are so many networking groups there, truly and honestly, they're there to sell you programs, they're there to sell you services, they're there to sell you different stuff. So you want to be thinking about, do you want to be part of a group that really is selling lots of things, or groups that where you can go and exchange ideas, groups where you could help each other grow? So you need to be thinking about that, because you don't want to be going into a group where all they do is sell, promoting other people's services or joint venturing with other sellers in order to sell their product and services. You want to be part, perhaps, a group that align to your goal to get you to a little bit closer to where you want to go. Now, I'm not saying do not join a group that doesn't sell product or services, but you don't want to be part of a group that you know really and truly will always selling things instead of adding value to the groups to get you a little bit closer to the goal you've set yourself to achieve. And then that takes us to the number 3 thing you need to do. Evaluate the member composition. So are the members experienced? Are the members really and truly there genuinely to work together as a networking group to help each other grow? Or they're just there for their personal interests? You know, here's the thing, there's so many networking groups there. People are there for their personal thing. They're there to sell their service. They're there to perhaps steal ideas so they can go and do their own thing. So consider evaluating what these people are. Are they genuinely there to actually add value into the group, to support each other grow? And again, looking at the group that way would help you understand whether this sort of group align to the goal or to your mission. So once you've done that, now you've literally looked if they've aligned to your goals, you've assessed their reputation, knowing that they're a very good networking group, and you've evaluated the members, especially the top key members, whether they're there to support each other or to sell their services, hoping that all that looks good. And you go to the fourth step. The first step is to consider commitment, because Any good networking group requires you to become a member, and that member requires you to pay a certain fee or a monthly subscription. Okay, supposing you've analyzed all these things and you realize that really and truly you can get value to this group, that's the time that you want to commit. Okay, maybe they've got a subscription to pay, because any good networking group that are really not there to sell things will charge you kind of premium to be part of that membership. Is that making sense? Because obviously they're there to help each other grow. It's like a mastermind group, so to speak. I'm not talking about your property networking event that everybody knows. I'm talking about this niche sort of networking group where it's only and truly for the people that are looking to grow. It's like a mastermind. Literally, it's just there for a mastermind. And this sort of groups, you pay a premium for it, because there are wealthy individuals there. There are people that are happy to help each other grow. Literally, nobody's there to sell anything. Everybody's there to help each other learn and expedite their property investment journey. You may be thinking, wow, okay, that's good. That's exactly what you need to do if you're looking for a networking group. Number 5, attend a meeting. You've now made in your mind you're going to commit. So what you want to do now is to attend a tester event. Right? Attend the event just to see how people are like, right? Test it. And most networking event would allow you to go for free for your next couple of meetings, or maybe some people even allow you to go 3 times just to test and see what is the group is all about. Is this group that will educate you? Is this group would refer you to business? Is this a group that you would learn and literally grow together as a team? So once you've then attended this networking group, maybe a couple of times or so, you've learned and understand how this group operate. The 6th step now is to commit, making the payment itself to become a member. So you make a payment, becoming a member, then you become part of that family. Here's the thing: when you join the group, do not go asking for help straight away. Oh, help me with this, help me with that. No, you want to be adding value first. You know, asking people if there's a way you could help them. Networking with these people, finding out what their pain points are. See how you could help. Contribute first before you start asking. Okay? Give before you take. Give before you take. That's where lots of people can make mistakes. Especially if you're new, everybody's eyes are on you. Okay, you want to be giving before you start taking. There's so many organizations, so many groups in the UK that is valid for this sort of thing. So you go in your local area, Google it, networking event. It could be business networking event. It could be meditation networking event. It could be entrepreneurial networking event. It could be business networking event. So whatever that may be, because there's no specific name that I would advise you here, because these names tend to change in a regular basis, and each name or each organization is different. For me, I was a part of a networking group called BNI. They are all professional, business like-minded individuals. They're all doing a different business. We're all doing a different business. We meet a Friday morning, very early in the morning, where everybody brings their ideas, everybody refers each other to businesses. Literally, there's no one there promoting any service. It's all about working together to grow our individual businesses. So you look around your place where you're living in, see if there's any sort of networking event there. But the BNI group, it's a massive international organization. You might not want to join that sort of group, because perhaps you want a group where you're all doing properties, for example, where you all can learn and immerse yourself. But once you know what you're doing in property, you're very, very good at it, and you jump to groups like this, it would only explode your property investment journey, because there are people that have got lots of money that they do not know about properties. They don't know how to invest. They don't know what to do with the money they have. You can then go in there, advising them, adding value, educating themselves about what you do, to entice them to work with you as joint venture partners, or perhaps people that they will refer you to expedite your property investment journey. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you.